Which state is known for its aerospace industry and where are the major space centers located? The aerospace industry in the United States is an integral part of the nation's technological and economic landscape, with several states playing significant roles in space exploration, research, and development. Among these states, Florida stands out as a key hub for the aerospace industry, boasting major space centers and serving as a focal point for space exploration efforts. Let's delve into why Florida is renowned for its aerospace industry and explore the major space centers located within the state. Florida's association with the aerospace industry dates back to the early days of space exploration. In 1961, NASA established the John F. Kennedy Space Center, KSC, on Merritt Island, Florida, as the primary launch site for human spaceflight missions, including the Apollo moon landings and the Space Shuttle program. Located on Florida's east coast, KSC is NASA's primary launch facility for human spaceflight missions. It has been the launch site for numerous historic missions, including the Apollo 11 moon landing and the Space Shuttle program. KSC continues to play a crucial role in NASA's Artemis program, aimed at returning humans to the Moon and eventually exploring Mars. Adjacent to KSC, the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station is operated by the United States Space Force and serves as a launch site for military and commercial satellite missions, as well as NASA's unmanned space exploration missions. SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company, operates launch complexes at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station and Kennedy Space Center. SpaceX conducts frequent launches of its Falcon rockets and Crew Dragon spacecraft, supporting NASA missions and commercial satellite deployments. The region surrounding Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Space Force Station is known as the Space Coast. It is home to a thriving aerospace industry, including aerospace companies, research institutions, and educational facilities focused on space exploration and technology development. Florida's aerospace industry has significant economic implications, generating billions of dollars in revenue, creating high-tech jobs, and driving innovation across various sectors. The presence of major space centers and aerospace companies in Florida fosters collaboration between government agencies, private enterprises, and academic institutions, contributing to advancements in space exploration, satellite technology, and scientific research. Which state is known for its aerospace industry in the United States? Florida is renowned for its aerospace industry, particularly due to its major space centers and launch facilities. Where are the major space centers located in Florida? The major space centers in Florida include the John F. Kennedy Space Center, KSC, and the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, CCSFS, on the state's east coast. What is the significance of the John F. Kennedy Space Center, KSC? KSC is NASA's primary launch facility for human spaceflight missions and has been the launch site for historic missions like the Apollo moon landings and the Space Shuttle program. What is the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, CCSFS, used for? CCSFS, operated by the United States Space Force, serves as a launch site for military and commercial satellite missions, as well as NASA's unmanned space exploration missions. Which private aerospace company operates launch complexes in Florida? SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company, operates launch complexes at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station and Kennedy Space Center, conducting launches of its Falcon rockets and Crew Dragon spacecraft. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.